going on, guys? It's Ja back again with another quick video. This one was my second Miraku, I'm sorry if I'm butchering this name, Miraku product. This is a battery cable. It has 2,500 milliamps. It's like a 4.2 foot cable, as you can just reading this right here. Now, this might look similar to the, I think it's Nomad that has a cable similar to this. But the thing with this though, compared to a Nomad, this is USB Type-C and it is $10. Yeah, $10. So very reasonable price. So let's hop up in this. There, okay, put it the wrong way, and beefy. Okay, that's all I get. Now, off bat, this is basically, I know the Nomad one is smaller, but this is basically like if you had a regular battery, a battery bank, and they basically connected wires on each end. But the wires are nice. They're like a fabric braided cable, so I feel like they can hold over time. Comes with a little strap that is in line with it, so you could always just tie it up, need be, if you need to use it. Okay, you plug it in and you're just like, okay, I'm gonna put it in a charge, get a quick charge before I go, and you're realizing like, okay, you're ready to go. It's not fully charged. The cool thing about it is that even though it isn't fully charged, you guys see there, and you can see right here, I'm gonna plug this out. Still charging. Cable's out, still charging. So I feel like that's a neat feature for this. It is a little bulky, not gonna lie. 2,500 milliamps, that's enough to give your phone a little juice just in case of emergencies, and it has pass-through charging. So what that means is that it's gonna charge your phone and then the battery bank. So your phone's already gonna be topped up. So anything extra is gonna charge the battery bank, and then circuits are going to cut it off too, so it's no overcharging or anything like that. But it's a cool feature. My only grip is, again, it is a bit bulky. Like, you know, it's you know, it's pretty big in the hand. Pause. But I really feel like it is a Now let's do a test. Let's see if it does fast charging through this cable. So give me a second. If it does fast charging and it is plugged in, do a quick charge brick. Nope. I don't know if you saw there, tell you slow charge. Slow charging. So what that generally means is that the cable that you're using won't allow for quick charging to run through it. Sometimes you can plug them out, plug them back in, and it will work. There's different reasons why most phones do that. But with this, I didn't think it would work just because it is running through the power bank in there already. So I didn't feel like it would work, but it was worth a shot. So just to confirm, you cannot fast charge through this. You could regular slow charge, or slow charge or just regular charge, but fast charging does not work through this. So that might be a down for some people, but again, if that's not a big problem, then okay. But remember, you still have 2,500 milliamps sitting right there charging your phone even after the fact. But for $10, again, it's not bad. And I'll post a link to this in the description below so you guys can give it a shot. You know, put it in your tech kits or anything like that, put in your backpack, you know, just as a backup. And still, at the end of the day, it still does have a 2,500 milliamp battery stick to it, so you can always put that in and you always have a spare cable. I think it's a good idea. But again, you guys, thank you for rocking with me. Appreciate it. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.